I just found an AI tool that creates high-quality animated videos automatically, no editing required. All you have to do is enter a simple story idea, and within minutes, it turns it into a complete animated video, just like this.
Oh no! You poor little things!
Found it!
Here you go! Eat up!
Now, here's the crazy part. Animated story videos are one of the easiest types of content to go viral. They can generate views consistently, make money online, and stay evergreen, which means you create them once and they keep working for you over time. But the problem is, creating animated story videos like that usually takes a lot of time and effort. You have to start by coming up with ideas, writing scripts, designing characters, create scenes, generating images and videos, lip-syncing, and editing everything together. And usually, you're jumping between multiple tools just to make one video. So in this video, I'm going to show you an all-in-one AI platform that uses a powerful AI agent and advanced models to handle everything for you, from a story idea to a complete animated video, automatically. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get into it. The AI tool is called Anijam AI. This is a revolutionary AI agent for animated content creation. It covers the entire production workflow. From just a simple initial idea, it handles everything from script writing to storyboarding, character design, animation, lip syncing, and final video output. Think of it as the ChatGPT of animation. You simply chat with the AI, and it takes care of all the heavy lifting in video production for you. To get started, click the link in this video description, or simply open your browser, type Anijam AI, and click on this link right here. It will bring you to this interface. Then click Start for free. Quick note, this powerful AI agent also works seamlessly on mobile browsers too, so you can also get started with your phone. Super cool. From there, you can quickly sign up using your Gmail or email and begin creating right away. This is the home page where all the magic begins. Anijam is completely free, as you can see. You get credits here, plus daily check-in credits, which is pretty awesome. To start creating our animated video, I'll paste in my prompt. You don't need to enter a detailed story. Keep watching because I'm also going to show you a secret website I used to craft prompts easily so you can start generating right away. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel. Thank you. Back here, I'll click this arrow send button. Next, we'll be directed to the Canvas Studio. On the right side of the canvas, you'll see a chat box that we can use to chat with the AI. You'll notice two options here, AI Director Mode and Workflow Mode. Just choose the one that you prefer. If you select AI Director Mode, it will instantly generate a video idea for you. On the other hand, Workflow Mode lets you control each step of the process. For this tutorial, I'll go with Director Mode. Now, you can choose your target audience, whether it's for all ages, kids, or teenagers. I'll select Kids. Then pick your preferred platform. I'll keep it set to YouTube. The aspect ratio is 16:9, and you can explore other options depending on the platform you are posting on. Here, I'll leave it set to Auto. For time duration, you can either click the plus icon to increase it or the minus icon to reduce it. For this tutorial, I'll set it to 0.5 minutes, which is 30 seconds. Then click Confirm. It will create the outline. If there's anything you'd like to add or remove, you can simply tell the AI agent in this chat column. But if everything looks good, we'll continue to choose the visual style design. At the top, it automatically generates style design options as recommendations that the AI feels match your story. If you want a different style, just click on the Style library. There are many styles to choose from. As you can see, so many interesting options. I really love this tool. For example, you can see the Pixar 3D. This is the style I used in the video for this video intro. For now, I'll choose a different style. Let's try this one. Once the style is confirmed, click on Concept Design. Here, you can see the story has been generated with a clear structure, including characters and locations. If everything looks good, click Generate All Concepts. All generated concepts will automatically appear in this canvas. It neatly arranges each scene along with the production plan structure. Now you have the option to generate everything at once or generate one by one. I'll select Generate All at Once. It will immediately generate the videos using the Kling O3 video generator model. Just click here to download it directly to your computer. Let's preview the result. If you've made it this far, congratulations! That means you're someone who actually finishes what you start. Now let's unlock the free prompt generator. Open your browser and type feed.do ChatGPT prompt generator. This will take you straight to the interface. And the best part? You don't even need to log in. Once you're there, head over to the text box and type in any idea. For example, I'll type, create a video prompt of an American boy named Eric. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just include the key details. You can also get more specific, like adding the duration of the video or any extra elements you want. Then click Generate. Just like that, it starts creating your prompt. And here it is. You can see how well structured and detailed it is. From here, you can easily tweak or refine it to match exactly what you have in mind. Now there's nothing holding you back from creating your own animated videos with Anijam. Click the link below to get started, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.